I don't like, I'm not sure about this. Yep. Hey guys, we are out on another adventure and we are staying in that little cabin right over there. And yeah, we never stayed in an off the grid cabin. It's on National Forest and we're renting it from the National Forest. So yeah, I'll show you guys around. Come on. Right here's the tiny cabin, and it is tiny. Very tiny. We have a little table right here. We got some bunk beds right here and a wood stove here. They even do have a cooker here, but we're just going to use our own. Yeah, pretty cute. And on the outside we have a picnic table. And right over here, we have a woodshed. They even got an axe in here. Pretty cool. We could just lock the dog in there. Yeah. We locked the dog in there. Teal. Get out of there. Yep, it's pretty cool. And there is a road like right here, which isn't the best. But so far, we've been here for a bit now and nobody has drove this road. And I think it's a very, very unbusy place. Like it's, doesn't seem like there's a lot going on here. So that's good. Uh-oh, one of the boys got in the water, got their shoes wet. Uh-oh, buddy. Here you go. Let's just take your shoes off. Now you can get in the water. Yeah. So yeah, it's a cool little place. We got this creek, we got this bridge, we got a little cabin. Yeah. Let me go to the next one. There we go. All right. I think that'll be good. Now, we just need our battery pack. And bam, we'll have some modern lights and an old school cabin. Bam. Let there be light. Now I can see a little bit better. It's just like very dark in here and it just drives me nuts. This thing. I think this thing's pretty much a joke. Yeah, we're gonna make ourselves at home and sit here at the kitchen table. Oh man. Look out the window. Hear the creek. Yeah. Man. Maybe we need to sell our house and just buy a piece of land and build a little log cabin. All you need is a place to sleep, place to eat, place to heat your food. Oh, you need a bathroom. This thing doesn't have a bathroom. Could make it a little bit bigger, put a bathroom in it, and bam, that's all you need. Really. I think that's all you need, right, buddy? Would you be happy in a little house like this? Yeah? Yeah. This table's a little small. We could make it a little bit bigger, but me and Trail could build a cabin like this. This thing, This thing ain't that big. This is a little thing. It's pretty cool. Starting to like this place more and more. Bam. Out here in the mountains, in an off-the-grid cabin. That's our woodshed back there. It's pretty cool. There we go. Now I can sit. Oh, man. Well, guys, we are gonna go explore a little bit, see what we can find. So we got this little creek. I'm hearing a creek down here, so I want to check out this creek. I'm not sure that I might be able to fish this creek right now, and I don't have to wait on the after 2 o'clock deal. Oh, there's another campsite right in there. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Nice little creek right here. I'm walking back to the cabin, and I'm going to get my rules and regulations out, and I'm going to find out if I can fish this little creek right here, because I know I can't fish the main creek that I came down here to fish until tomorrow. So I'm going to find out if I can fish this little stream. Look at that cutie patootie. Look at him. Nature boy. You having fun?
Yeah, I'm just getting ready to.
Come in. Welcome to our cabin.
Okay.
We are trying out a new stove from Amazon. It is the Gas One, but it's a dual fuel. It's a dual fuel, so we can actually connect just a regular propane bottle, like a bottle like this. But it's still warm weather, and we're gonna use butane. We have never used this thing before. We really like our Ozark Trail, but it's only like 7,000 BTUs or something like that, and this thing's like 15. So we'll be able to do steaks or whatever. Like bam, that's some heat right there. Bam, look at that. I mean, bam. But anyways, I like that it has the option to go dual fuel, especially in the winter. In the winter month, butane is just not gonna cut it. So yeah, that's why I wanted to get it. So far I like it. We're just gonna use the griddle from the I can't remember. Just like that. This is the griddle from the Ozark Trail. So yeah, we're gonna try out this thing. We're gonna use it to cook. No.
Yeah, there's yellow.
Not here.
The one with mechanics. Number change.
Pretty good, buddies?
Yeah.
These guys are eating some potatoes. Uncooked potatoes. Pretty good? You guys must be hungry.
What?
We are having a very good meal in this little cabin. We got some meat, potatoes, and some salad. And I mean, it is hitting the spot. It is so good. So good. Leave a comment below if you've ever stayed in one of these cabins or if you ever had such a good meal in such a little cabin. I mean, this thing is tiny. We got our bunk beds right here. We got our cute little table right here. And our stove right there. Our pantry is right here. Yeah, it's just small. Yeah, but it's pretty cool though. We are trying out this dishwasher. I don't know, some little gadget Daria bought. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna find out. Oh. So you hit this button, woo, that's a lot of soap. There you go. Yeah, this thing is slick. I think this thing is a pretty good little gadget. I did all the dishes with it. It's got a little container of soap in there. All you do is you hit that top button, it squirts some soap through here and you can just cheep. I am packing this thing up. I had it laying on top of the truck to charge my battery pack right here. And it is nice and compact. So if you are interested in this thing, check it out in the description below. I am gonna do a little bit of fishing in this little creek, little ways over there. I'm gonna go over there and see if I can catch something. No luck in fishing. And I got your shoes, buddy. I got them right here. I got them. And the mosquitoes are so thick, they're just eating us alive. So, babies are crying. Don't step in those stickers, buddy. That's a sticker bush. Babies are crying. It's just not working out. Beautiful evening. And I guess we're gonna go back to the cabin. Nicole, you want to wash your feet? Here's your shoes. Just step in the water a little bit. Well, guys, we are gonna go see if we can find a spot where I can fish in the morning. So, sun's setting. So we're going to just drive around and enjoy the evening. We stopped at a nice little camping site. Oh, you have some people fishing here. For some reason, I thought we're not supposed to be fishing after 2 o'clock, but they're fishing. It's a beautiful day. Just look at this. It is so beautiful. Man. Well guys, we are settling down for the evening. We're here in our cozy cabin. Would you look at that? But we're gonna lay down, take a nap. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Little feller's too tired. Good night.
Yeah. It's fun. I want some bacon with bacon.
Well guys, it's been a good morning and we are packing up, washing dishes, and getting this place cleaned up and leave it better than we found it. So yeah. Now we're heading to another spot where we're gonna camp for the night. And the boys are going wild. I think it's good. All right, that's it. We had a good time at this cabin, and yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any gear, camping gear that we use, check out the links in the description below. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!